with Jack's. Gonna go over our print Bitcoin, currently sitting at 20.4K, down 0.77 on the day. Seeing market cap about 388 B, 24-hour volume 59.83 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. And you get a 10% rebate on your first trade of 100 USD. Email me or sign up email after your first deposit. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So we broke down from this symmetrical triangle with a little bit of retest here. The technical target is all the way down here at 19.5K. I don't think it will make it all the way down to that level. If we do come down, I do think there's a high chance we bounce off about 19.8. Currently we have a double bottom with a little bit of a bullish divergence. So that could lead to a breakout to the upside, but I think we might come a little bit lower here to about 19.8K, hold that strong level of support, and then see that continuation to the upside. Looking on this chart here, we're watching a potential bull pennant. You can see we did break down, but we are holding the EMAs, about to have the bullish cross. So as long as we can hold those EMAs, we can see continuation to the downside. If the EMAs are lost, that's when you can come all the way back down here to about 19.1K, which is the point of control. Now looking at the DXY, we pushed all the way up to another level of resistance here at 112 and currently trending towards overbought on the 4 hour. And as you can see, when we get high on the 4 hour time frame, we usually do see a move back down. A few examples here when we're high on the 4 hour time frame, so do keep an eye on that, especially if you do start to see us form a bearish divergence over the next few days and the DXY starts to roll over to retest the bottom of this channel, could lead to a pump for the price of BTC. Now, if we end up breaking this level of resistance here, that's when the DXY could come all the way back up and retest this level of resistance here and potentially the top of the channel, which would lead to a larger dump for the price of BTC. But personally, I don't think that's the likely scenario. Looking at the NDQ 100, the NASDAQ 100 index here, we've sold off quite a bit. As you can see, we had some pretty steep sell-off yesterday with the Fed announcement. We're watching a potential inverse head and shoulders. But if we lose this head here, then it would invalidate the pattern for the NDQ to maintain this inverse head and shoulders, but we are still holding this level of support here. So as long as we hold this strong level of support, I do think there is still good potential for seeing a bounce and for seeing a rally for the NASDAQ 100. Looking at the Dow Jones, we trended all the way to the top of this descending broadening wedge, so it's healthy to see some pullback here, and we're just having the bullish cross. So if we can hold the EMAs on the daily as support, that's when we can continue to push up to retest this level of resistance of this descending broadening wedge. As you can see right here, we had the bullish cross. We continued to pump to the top of the wedge. So we came up, seeing a little bit of pullback. If we hold the bullish cross, we can see continuation up to the top of the wedge for the Dow Jones. All right, guys. Of course, the stock market is highly correlated with the movement of Bitcoin, and that's why I like to go over the Dow and the NDQ 100 with you guys. So this little double bottom, if it were to break out to the upside with this bullish divergence, then you can see a nice little pump to take you up here to about 20.7K. But I think it's likely that if we go back to the 4 hour, that we're going to come down to oversold on this bearish divergence on the RSI and kind of just trickle down here potentially to about 19.8. Maybe just find support about 20K and then start to bounce once again to the upside. I don't think this rally is over, in my opinion, especially with the elections coming up, but we'll have to see how it plays out. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bitget, grab up to 8K in bonuses, make your first deposit, email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto at the $10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my exact entries, exits, and take profits, currently in about 5 trades. All signals were given in the Discord. Sign up through the Patreon, only $10 a month. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.